You know, when you're cleaning your inside windows, you don't want to grab a bucket and a sponge. You want something you can spray on and get done quickly and easily. So I'm going to show you how to make a really unique window cleaner today. And it's going to use club soda because the carbonations and the salt do a great job cleaning the dirt off the window, and it helps keep the static off so they don't get dirty again as fast. So the first thing you need is 2 cups of club soda, which I've already poured into this container. To that, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Now, you know how I love lemon juice. It can clean just about anything. Then to that, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Now, that's what you use when you thicken gravy and things like that. We're going to stir it up just to blend in that cornstarch. And then we're going to fill our bottle. Now remember, always label your bottles because you want to know what's in that bottle when you go to use it. We're going to put a funnel in because I don't have the pouring power to do it without it. So we're going to just pour it into our sprayer like that. We're going to put the sprayer top on, and then when you're ready to clean the windows, we're going to just spray and we're going to wipe. Now, what can you use to wipe with? It works really well. I love coffee filters, and I buy these at the cheapest place I can find them. There's no lint in them, they polish, they do a great job. I know a lot of you use newsprint, but if it gets on the white of your windows, if it gets on your paint, it makes a mess. So try the coffee filters, of course, the old standby paper towels, and one of my favorites, microfiber cloths. They clean and they leave no streaks behind. So all you have to do is spray it on and you're done. So give it a try and see if it doesn't do a good job on your inside windows. For more information, go to queenofclean.com. Thanks for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.